Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm actually here to talk about my under eye dark circle story, like how I got rid of it and what I used to actually reduce it. So let's get into the story. Actually, I had under eye dark circles since my childhood days, but I never actually took care of it. Like, it never bothered me at all during my school days. But when I started doing my engineering, yeah, my friends used to tell me like all the time that I look tired and I look sort of sick. Like, always I had this tired face, and especially during exam times, like I used to get very little sleep, and because of that I used to look like panda. Like at workplace, like every person whomever I met, they used to tell me every day that I look very tired, and it was all because of my dark circles. And my schedule was very hectic, and I really did not get time to take care of my skin. Like way back in the college days, like weekly once or twice I used to follow the natural remedies, like applying cucumber juice or potato juice. It did give me results, but that was temporary. I had to follow it like every single day, and I didn't have time for it, and I didn't have patience for it at that point of time. The reasons for dark circles actually varies from person to person, but in my case, it was all because of tear trough depression. Like, I have deep set eyes. You can see a socket here. Like, this is a hollow region that you see. Although at times if I didn't have dark circles, this hollow would create a shadow which actually looked like I have dark circles. Um, as I said, reasons could vary. In my case, it was this hollow, or they call it as tear trough depression. And also the other reason is the skin under your eyes is very thin. For few people, there will be fat deposition in this region, and for few people you will not be able to see any fat deposition, and that is why you get this depression. I don't have fat deposition at all. And the other reason is there could be veins that is visible in this region. So I have this bluish and purplish veins which could be seen. Let me try and show it to you. Like, if you could see, what you see here is one vein, and if at all you could see in this region, I have like reddish and some purplish veins visible. So this part is actually dark because of the underlying veins. So these are some of the reasons for having dark circles for deep set eyes. So if you can see now, this is without any makeup. I have not concealed. All I have applied is a moisturizer and a BB cream. Now it's reduced like so much, and I'm really happy to go out like this without wearing any makeup. But earlier it was not the case. So you might be wondering what would be the treatment for this. I actually consulted a dermatologist who explained me why I have the dark circles. So all this tear trough depression and everything, she explained it to me, and then she gave me a suggestion to undergo a treatment which is called the tear trough refill. But I was not ready for it. So basically what they do is, since here there is a hollow here, and because of this it looks like there is a depression, they will fill this region with some fluid. I think it's called the hyaluronic fluid. I'm not sure, either the hyaluronic acid or some other fluid. I really need to check on it. So using a small syringe, they would fill it up. Like, I have to get this treatment once in a year. So this depression, what you see, it'll like plump up so that you wouldn't see any hollow here. So she said if I undergo that treatment, then it would look better. But I was not ready for it. I'm not a person who likes getting such sort of treatment, so I did not opt for it. So instead of that, I thought that I should have a skincare routine, and I should start incorporating eye cream in skincare routine. So I did a lot of research about the eye creams that are available in India. The first eye cream that I started using was, I think it was the Oriflame Optimals Under Eye Cream. It basically comes in that greenish tub, which is 15 ml, and it lasted for like 6 months or so for me, and I used it like every single night, and I really could see visible results. So it did help me a lot. I think it costed about like 500 or 600 rupees. So what I wanted to do basically was to reduce it rather than to get rid of it by getting that treatment, like refill treatment. Then after this, I wanted to go for a better eye cream, so my research continued. So I purchased another eye cream which is from Amway, and it is called the Artistry Essentials Replenishing Eye Cream. So this is the one I used for the longest time, like maybe for 1.5 years, more than that, maybe more than that. So this is like my most amazing eye cream that I've ever used, and this is my third tube actually, and this is 15 ml, and it costed me like around 1,000 bucks. And the consistency of this is amazing. You can use it for night as well as the day. So, and I could see amazing results, like dark circles was almost gone. So these are some of the things that I started using it. But right now I got one more eye cream from US. So I'm using one from Skinology Cosmeceuticals, and this is the one. It is called the Eye Gel Resistant Stem Cell Technologies, and it claims that the advanced eye gel formula helps to reduce appearance of wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and also sagging. This is a gel. This is of gel consistency, so I could like pump up and show you. Like you could see, this is a gel, and just apply it like day and night. I would not miss applying eye creams even a single day. So what I would like to say is, under eye circles is a common problem with most of the people now, and if you are like me, like if you have deep set eyes and this tear trough issues, then I would suggest you guys to find out the best eye cream that would suit for you. It's also, you can use whatever I showed. This worked for me and it might work for you as well. And for rest of the people who just have dark circles, I would suggest you guys to incorporate eye creams on a regular basis, or try any natural remedies, like follow a routine, like you should use it like every day, or for some people it could be with the health issues. Consult your doctor, follow a healthy diet, drink lots of water. It would really help with all of the skin issues that you have. And yeah, I hope this video helped some of the people out there. And if you really like my video, please give a thumbs up, and please like and subscribe to my channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching the video. I love you guys. See you all in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.